Now I want to talk a little bit about the volume and packing capacity for the Junior Ranger set. Every Junior Ranger set comes with 2 bags. Each bag is 10 liters of capacity. That means between the set, you've got 20 liters of volume to fill. That's pretty good. I wanted to show you how to open and close the roll top to make sure that you're doing it correctly, keep the weather out, and keep your contents really safe. To open your bag, you're just gonna unclip the sides of the pannier and unroll the entire telescoping neck. You can see that this adds a ton of volume to the bag. It's great. You can actually overstuff your bag quite a bit, but we want to make sure, especially if you're riding in wet weather or in snow, that you get at least 2 rolls forward before you hit your packed materials. So I'll just do a quick example of it. When you close your bag, you're going to pinch the sides and then go ahead and just roll forward. So I've got 1 roll and 2 rolls. So that's about how full your bags should be. That is the 10-liter mark. I actually have less in there, so I can keep going. And then to close the bags, I'm just rehooking both clips to their corresponding buckle on the other side. All set. So you want a really nice tight roll up top. That's going to keep all of the water out. If you overstuff your bags and you just need to carry a little bit more, it happens sometimes, you go grocery shopping or resupply on your trip, we have another option for closure. In this case, you can actually go ahead and do your roll and then clip the top clips together. This gives actually quite a bit more flexibility to fill your bags, keeps the water resistance, and also gives you a little bit of a carrying handle. That's everything you need to know about the volume and packing capacity of the Junior Rangers.